Do you ever wish your brain had an upgrade button? Imagine sharper focus, improved memory, and unstoppable mental energy, all possible with nootropics. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 beginner-friendly nootropics that will unlock your mental edge. Ready to supercharge your mind? Let's get started. Alright, let's talk caffeine. You know it, you love it, it's the lifeblood of champions. But let's be real, sometimes that caffeine rush can leave you feeling jittery and anxious, right? That's where L-theanine comes in, the yin to caffeine's yang. This powerful amino acid, found naturally in tea, takes the edge off caffeine, smoothing out the energy boost and enhancing focus without the crash. Think of it like this. Caffeine is the gas pedal, and L-theanine is the steering wheel. It's like upgrading from a beat-up old car to a high-performance racing machine. You're still getting that boost, but now you're in total control. And the best part? This combo is super accessible. You can find it in pre-made supplements or you can easily make your own. Just grab some high-quality green tea and combine it with your usual cup of coffee. Experiment with the ratio to find what works best for you. Trust me, this stuff is a game changer, especially for those long days of work or intense study sessions. It's like having a cheat code for your brain. Next up, we've got lion's mane mushroom, and no, it's not just a cool name. This stuff is like the OG brain food. It's been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Lion's mane is packed with compounds that support nerve growth factor, or NGF, which is like Miracle-Gro for your brain cells. We're talking improved memory, enhanced learning, and even potential long-term brain health benefits. It's like taking your brain to the gym, building those neural connections and making you mentally sharper. And the best part? It's completely natural. You can find lion's mane in supplement form, or you can get adventurous and cook with it. It's actually pretty tasty, with a slightly sweet and seafood-like flavor. So, whether you're a student cramming for exams, a creative professional looking for that extra spark, or just someone who wants to keep their mind sharp as a tack, lion's mane mushroom is a must-try. Omega-3 supplements derived from fish oil or algae. Bacopa monnieri, the Ayurvedic memory enhancer. Let's dive into the world of Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, and explore a powerful herb known as Bacopa monnieri. This nootropic has been used for centuries to enhance memory, improve learning, and promote mental clarity. What makes Bacopa so special? Well, it contains compounds called bacosides which have been shown to enhance communication between neurons in the brain. Think of it like upgrading your brain's internet connection, allowing information to flow more freely and efficiently. Now here's the thing about Bacopa, it's not a quick fix. It works best over time, gradually improving memory recall and reducing those frustrating moments of forgetfulness. It's like a long-term investment in your cognitive health, paying dividends in the form of sharper thinking and enhanced learning abilities. If you're a student facing a mountain of information, a professional navigating a demanding career, or just someone who wants to keep their mind sharp as a tack, Bacopa monnieri is worth adding to your nootropic arsenal. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 beginner-friendly nootropics to unlock your mental edge. Remember, these are just a few of the many tools available to help you optimize your brain power. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these nootropics? What's your favorite brain-boosting hack? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mental Edge HQ for more mind-expanding content, and share this with anyone looking to unleash their full potential. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible.